In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a candle icon in Figma in just a few simple steps. This is a super quick way to add a clean, professional icon to your design without drawing it manually from scratch. Whether you're working on a UI project, a presentation, or just building out an icon set, this method will save you time and help you get consistent results. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Figma tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma design file and make sure you're inside the canvas where you want the icon to appear. Once you're in the design, look for the Actions icon at the bottom toolbar. This is where Figma keeps a lot of useful tools, plugins, and widgets that can extend what you can do inside your project. Go ahead and click that Actions icon to open the menu. From there, you'll see an option for plugins and widgets. Click on Plugins and Widgets because that is where we're going to access the icon library. Now, in the search bar, type Iconify and run it. Iconify is one of the easiest ways to find and insert thousands of icons directly into Figma, including the candle icon we need for this design. After the plugin opens, use the search bar and type candle. Then press enter to search for candle-related icons. You should now see a list of different candle icon options appear on the screen. Take a moment to look through the results and choose the style that fits your design best. Once you find the candle icon you want, all you have to do is drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can place it wherever you want in the layout, and from there you can resize it, recolor it, or adjust it to match the rest of your design. And that's it. You've successfully created a candle icon in Figma using Iconify. It's fast, simple, and perfect when you want to build polished designs without wasting time. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.